Want to transition into IT as a business analyst without writing a single line of code? Forget dry textbook theory. Here is the complete 8-step roadmap to bridge business and technology using real-world project scenarios. Step 1 is mastering the BA mindset. You are a problem solver, not a programmer. Imagine a bank where loan approvals take 14 days. Instead of jumping to build an app, the BA maps the process and discovers 8 days are wasted manually mailing paper forms between branches. Your job is to identify the root cause first. Step 2 is requirements elicitation, gathering what stakeholders actually need. In a hospital project, doctors complained about slow computers. But when the BA shadowed them during patient rounds, they discovered doctors were wasting 3 minutes per patient simply logging into multiple disconnected systems. Step 3 is process modeling, mapping as-is versus to-be workflows. In an e-commerce store, the current as-is checkout took 6 complex steps, causing a 40% cart abandonment rate. The BA designed a to-be to-step checkout flow, instantly boosting completed sales. Step 4 is drafting the business requirements document, or BRD. For a hotel chain, the BRD clearly defines the goal: allow guests to check in via mobile app to keep wait times under 2 minutes. By the way, you can download free, production-ready BRD templates right now on bakeries.in to practice this exact blueprint. Step 5 is converting business goals into a functional requirements document for developers. In a FinTech banking app, the FRD rule explicitly states, if a user enters an invalid OTP 3 times, lock the account for 15 minutes and send an alert email within 5 seconds. Clear rules mean zero confusion for coders. Step 6 is working in Agile frameworks. You break requirements into user stories using the standard template. As a driver, I want real-time GPS updates so I can avoid traffic. The acceptance criteria ensures developers build it so the route recalculates in under 3 seconds. Step 7 is adopting daily no-code tools. A typical BA morning involves sketching wireframes in usage chart, logging requirements in Jira, and collaborating with development leads inside Confluence. No coding required. Step 8 is user acceptance testing, or UAT. Before a food delivery app goes live, the BA tests real scenarios like applying a promo code. If the discount fails to apply, the BA flags the defect to developers, ensuring a flawless launch for real users. Your existing domain knowledge in sales, banking, HR, or